My name is Rajesh Rapaka and I've been living in Turkey for the past 20 years. I'm a computer engineer in the day and a dancer by night. To dance, it's definitely very refreshing. I have a white collar job at the same time, so in the mornings you're in front of the computer, you do a lot of work with your fingers and the brain, and you get tired. I've been dancing since like I was 8, let's say, and after coming to Turkey, I've just founded this Takadhimi Dance Academy in Istanbul. And at Takadhimi, we teach all Indian classical dancers, folk dancers, Rajasthani, Bhangra, Bollywood. So a classic, Bollywood and a folk is what we have every season. Turkish people are very interested in Indian dances. So far, we've had close to 500 students at least, I guess. Every year we organize stage performances with the participation of Indian Council, the Turkish media and large Turkish audience also. I tell people when you do the same job every day, it actually takes you back as a person. If you want to add more to your life, do something different, definitely. Let it be anything. Do it. Try to learn a new guitar, or try to learn a new tune, try to learn a new kind of dance, or do something else. But don't do the same thing every day. The same muscle charging every day. It doesn't work like that. Humans are not made for that. Like in Indian dance, we have several combinations of formulas for a step. Let's say. So you're actually using your brains into it. You're actually forcing your brains or limits into it. So that's the beauty of Indian dance. For me, a typical day in Istanbul is like work all day and dance all night. And I also like taking walks by the Bosphorus. So there's nothing like that. Watching the mesmerized Istanbul views, tasting some Turkish street food and sipping up my Turkish tea in the sunset. I'm happily married to a Turkish woman. Her name is Gilnur. We met in the school where I was teaching dance. She was actually learning flamenco in the same school. It was mostly love at first sight. So we started dating immediately and it went on well. From that day onwards, never seeing back, it went on so well. Turkey for me is in 3 words. Number 1, people. Number 2, food. Number 3, language. This completely describes Turkey. I think Turkish is one of the most sweetest language to be spoken. Number 2 is people. So the people of Turkey are very empathetic to be first. They're very interactive. They're very supportive at the same time. I've actually been to many other countries, but I didn't feel any culture shock in Turkey, to be frank. That's what the specialty of the Turkish people is. They don't let you get the shock. So they don't make you feel that you're a foreigner here. And third thing is the food. Wow. It's a different culture, it's a different cuisine. It's unique Turkish food. If you ask me what's my favorite, I like the rakı sofrası. It has got a big table with full of ingredients on it, small things coming in, and the unique drink. Fabulous. Least thing that I like about Turkey is sometimes people can be very judgmental, in terms of dance especially. We have a big number of male dancers, which is 0. So hardly we find any male dancers. I'm the only one dancing. All our shows you see, there are like 60 girls and only me. So guys feel it's not masculine to dance. It's just opposite. It's not masculine to cry, just the opposite. It's masculine to cry, it's masculine to dance. A man can cry, a man can dance, a man can hug, a man can love. A man can do a lot of things just when being non-human. If you're not doing any of your artistic part, you're incomplete. You're not exploring your human nature. So dance actually completes me. It makes me human.